short documentary about Chitral.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that new and interesting videos can reach you.
The land of Chitral is very fertile for fruit.
Fruits include apples, pears, grapes, walnuts, apricots and cherries are very popular. Among all fruits, apple is the top. Many varieties of apples are found in Chitral. It's fun to change regions and see new varieties of apples and enjoy the taste. Chitral pears are very tasty and juicy. Apricots of Chitral are also very famous. Apricots are dried in season and used as dried fruit in winter. Chitral cherries are very sweet and juicy. Chitrali cherry is in great demand in other districts of the country.
Cherry is a very delicate fruit, and it is very difficult to transport it safely to other areas, due to the poor condition of the roads.
Many varieties of grapes are also found in Chitral.
And you will also get to see very beautiful colorful flowers. Seeing these flowers, the heart swells with joy. You will feel that these flowers are standing to welcome us. It was also a flower. Youth is over, old age is. At the last stage, just a gust of wind will come and everything will be scattered in the wind. The bee is busy squeezing the sweetness from the flowers. Along the way, you will see beautiful flowers on the banks of rivers and canals.
Most of the people are engaged in agriculture. Wheat and maize are the major crops.
And along with farming, the residents here also raise livestock.
These livestock include cows, goats, sheep. They get milk and meat. from these animals for food.
Apart from this, wool is also obtained from these. Cattle for use in winter as fertilizer for crops. Apart from farming, cattle rearing, people here also raise chickens with great passion. Keeping chickens is a must in every household. Many types of birds are also found in Chitral. Most of these birds are seasonal. Among these seasonal birds, ducks and geese are very famous.
The magpie kishipi is very popular among resident birds. It stays in this area for 12 months of the year.
Beautiful waterfalls and small forests are also found in this area.
There is also a waterfall in this valley, which looks like a milk waterfall. The spring water here is very sweet and hot in winter, and cold in summer. And the ibex is also found in the mountains, which is our national animal.